guys, we are going to Varanadu. We came here, we stopped here because there is very nice waterfall, guys. See, guys, it's coming from there, guys. Can you notice that? See, guys, it's coming from there, and it's coming and coming and coming, and see, guys, see, and it stops here. See, guys, it's very beautiful, guys. See the rocks. See the rocks. Rocks. Rocks, guys. See. See, guys. See, guys. See there, guys. How foggy it is. How foggy it is. See, guys. See how foggy it is. See, guys. See. See, guys. See, guys. See. See, guys. See. See, guys. This is the nature of. See the monkey, guys. Bye, guys. See you later. See, guys. See, guys. It's coming. Now we can notice it very cleanly. See, guys. See. So many people are there to see, take pics, guys. Bye, guys. Please subscribe, guys. Please like and comment.